Hey y'all, are you looking to get into mechanical watch without spending an arm and a leg, without spending a few $1,000s? Well, today we're gonna open up, unbox the Invicta Pro Driver. Y'all stick with me, we'll get with it right after this. Alright guys, this is going to be a really budget-friendly watch. This watch is coming in at $85 on Amazon. It's a 40mm, 200-meter diver watch. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got going on. Alright, we got the Invicta brand. Now, let me be real honest with you. This is the second time I've done this video. I had microphone troubles the first time, so you're not going to get to see me peeling the plastic off of it. But I may go ahead and throw a little bit of that into this video because I know you guys like to see that. Now, this does not look like the box that I've seen in videos before where it's like a faux leather with stitching. This is just a simple cardboard box. I don't know if that's going to bother you or not, but it certainly will not bother me because I will never wear this box anywhere. It's got the Invicta on it, but let's go ahead and open it up. And it came really well packed, no doubt. It hadn't moved off the pillow, and it looks really good in here. It's a nice presentation. Now, it's sitting on a nice pillow. Like I said, it held it sturdy. And, man, this is a really handsome-looking watch. And it's hard to believe that you can find a mechanical watch for $85, even with today's kind of pricing. Now, let's go ahead and cut to me taking off the wrapper. Did y'all get your fill of that? Good. So now this is a 40mm watch. I know it's 14 millimeters thick. And I really like that it's, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I don't know. But it's got the clear back on it, allows you to see the movement and the rotor, the weighted rotor. And the rotor is yellow with the Invicta emblem on it. Now, the front of it, it looks really sharp, guys. Go ahead and put on my glasses. It looks really, really sharp. The markings and the lettering and everything is just really, really sharp on this watch. The bezel is very, very positive, and there's not a whole lot of slack in it. In fact, the tag's a bit sharper, but this one still feels quite nice. And it does line up at noon perfectly, actually. Yeah, it does. It really does. The Cyclops is in a great spot. And like I said, the finish on it is just really nice, man. It's a very nice polish on the finishing. Now, I know a lot of people don't like the Invicta engraving on the side of the case, but I've got no issues with it. It does have a screw down crown on it, and it is hacked. Now, for those of you that don't know what hacked means, if this may be your first mechanical watch, it means that if you pull it out to set the time, the second hand stops, which allows you to synchronize it with another watch or set it down to the second, whatever you're looking to do. And you can change the time in that furthest out section. You push it in one click and it allows you to change the date, and you go all the way in and now you can wind it. It is a hand winding watch also. Now, something to remember with a mechanical watch, let me get this thing screwed, yeah, there we go, it's screwed down. Something to remember with a mechanical watch, if you've never owned one before, and it may be a drawback to you, is that if you're not wearing this thing every day or have it on a winder, it's only got about a 40-hour reserve on it, which is about the same as my tag. My tag's not real good either, but I do keep this one on a winder and I only wear it on the weekends. Now, I bought this one to be an everyday watch, so I don't think I'm gonna have an issue at all with the watch keeping time, with it staying wound. But the bracelet seems to be of decent quality for a watch this price. It's polished in the center, and the I guess like an oyster bracelet, and it's brushed on the outside. The clasp has got the Invicta name branding on it, and it is a very positive closing clasp. You're not going to have an issue with this watch falling off of you. Now, I did have to take out one link on this bracelet. I do have fairly large wrists, but so this is my tag. Now, my tag's in a 43. I think my wrist is a little over 7 inches, but I think so. I'm not real sure. But my tag is a 43 millimeter, and that's what that looks like on the wrist. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this 40 millimeter looks like on the wrist. It's noticeably smaller. Now, the weight of these two watches, believe it or not, is very similar. And the bracelet's a bit more rattly, but that's to be expected. It's a $2,500 watch, and this one's $80. It's crazy. Now, this is the size of it on my wrist, the 40 millimeter, and I think it really looks good. Man, it's gonna be really hard to beat. If you're in the market, guys, and you're looking to get a watch collection started, or maybe even just your first mechanical watch, I think you would be hard pressed to find something as good looking as this Invicta for the price. I mean, it's just simply, if you don't like it, throw it away. I mean, it's $85, guys. And if you're really wanting to get into the watch collection hobby, you're gonna be spending a lot more than $85 on a mechanical watch. So this may be a good way to dip your toes in without going overboard. And like I said, I will go ahead and give you a review on this later. I will be wearing it every day. I'm gonna wear this thing in a deer stand. I'm gonna wear this thing to work. I'm really gonna beat it up, and I'm anxious to see how it holds up. And I will be doing a follow-up review later. But guys, I got a link down in the description of this thing. Go check it out. It's really a handsome, handsome watch. I think it's gonna be hard to beat for the price. And give me a thumbs up if you like the content, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And thank y'all for watching. And until next time, I'll see y'all on Everyday Man.